How important is technology to medical innovation?
Well, in the two scenarios that I've mentioned about dementia and stem cells, technology has been a crucial factor in providing to get to the human safety trials, where we are today. The ultrasound, for example, is technology based. Without technology, without IT, without all the componentry to go into that, and the hardware and software, it wouldn't exist. It wouldn't happen. Because you've got scanning of the brain, you've got CAT scans, you've got all sorts of scanning going on, which allows for the ultrasound to be targeted at different parts of the brain. Just absolutely critical. There's a whole idea of we'll find a tablet or we'll find a medicine that will clear the plaque, and people are working on that, and I hope that there is success in that area. But that's not technology based in essence. It's this ultrasound that's technology based. Similarly with the stem cells, so where the stem cells are harvested, they then 3D printing creates the bridge for them. So again, technologies come into that. It's an organic bridge that goes into the spine and the spinal cord, where the stem cells are placed, because you just can't sort of throw stem cells in the body and hope that they'll do their thing. They've got to be very selectively placed, and they've discovered that this 3D bridge. So without 3D printing, without IT, without technology, we wouldn't have that situation that exists. And so it's just so vitally important that technology continues to grow and works in partnership with medical research. I think you've just talked about your involvement with the Queensland Brain Institute. Absolutely critical that there's a partnership between technology and IT companies with universities, with medical research. It's all a hand-in-hand situation.